Alright, I'm not sure if I will be able to pull this off, but I'll do my best. So, I will ask AI to give me random themes, and then I will try to create one-page complete story from that, and I will have 1 hour to do everything. So I will start clock now, and I will write my question to AI, and let's see, will this work as I imagine it to work? Right. Okay, let's see. So we have Gourmet Necromancy and Cyberpunk Deep Sea Diving. Shit. Okay. So I will try to spend approximately 10 minutes on story, and then 15 minutes on layouts and then sketches, and then 35 minutes on line art, and hopefully I will be able to create some backgrounds. So again, Gourmet Necromancy, world where deceased and resurrected specifically to recreate lost family recipes or judge cooking competition. And Cyberpunk Deep Sea Diving, forget outer space, high tech, low life, high state, education depth. I think I got the main idea. Now let's try to create a layout. This is as far as I got, no clean line art, but the story is there. So I spent 1 more hour to add speech bubbles and some screen tones, and here is the final result. Enjoy.
This is author song of my YouTube channel, and it's not made by AI. Someday I'll become the greatest mangaka, so you better subscribe.